In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can add a video and a photo together on an Instagram story. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you had any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Begin by opening up Instagram and tapping on your story up in the top left, or just hitting the profile icon section and going into the create story option. From here, you either need to record a video or select one from your camera roll. We'll just go ahead and use this one right here. What you need to do once you have that video though is select the little sticker icon up on the top left or top right, and then select photo from here and choose whatever photo it is that you're trying to add, or an extra video if you're trying to add another video in here. For example, we'll do this one right here. Now you can shrink it, increase the size, whatever it might be, move it around. You could even also tap on it and it'll make it different. For example, if I wanted it to be a heart, I could go ahead and do that, or any of these other designs. It really is as simple as that. If you guys had any questions though, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.